Before telescopes, before science, before even the idea of space itself, humanity looked up and saw something infinite, a sky without end, a darkness filled with questions. And from that uncertainty, we created meaning. We imagined gods, creators, infinite forces beyond comprehension. But today, we listen to the universe in a different way, not with eyes, but with instruments. And what we hear is ancient, a faint uniform glow filling every direction of space, a whisper from the beginning of time. This is the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe, a remnant from when everything was once hot, dense, and unified. Before galaxies, before stars, before Earth. Just energy expanding into existence. And when we map this faint radiation, we discover something remarkable. The universe is not empty, it is structured. Subtle variations, tiny fluctuations in temperature and density that eventually became everything we see today. Galaxies, clusters, life itself. But beyond its scientific meaning, the cosmic microwave background carries something deeper, a sense of origin, a boundary to time itself, a moment when before loses meaning. And for ancient minds, a concept like this would have been unimaginable. Yet they still tried to understand the infinite. They looked at storms and called them gods. They looked at stars and called them eternal beings. They looked at creation itself and asked, who made this? The idea of a divine creator emerged not from measurement, but from intuition, from the human need to explain infinity. Because infinity is not something the mind easily holds, and so it becomes something we personify, something we name, something we believe is watching. But the cosmic microwave background tells a different story, not of intention, but of origin without design, not of a voice, but of a faint echo left by physics itself, a universe unfolding according to laws, not guidance. And yet, even in this scientific narrative, something remains profoundly humbling, because the universe still feels infinite, still feels beyond comprehension, still feels almost intentional in its vastness. The same emotional response that once created mythology now returns through cosmology. When we look deep into the cosmic microwave background, we are not just seeing radiation, we are seeing the first structure of everything that would become us. In a sense, we are looking at our earliest possible origin story. And it is not separate from us. It is us, extended backward through time. So perhaps the question was never simply, is there a creator? But something more subtle. Why does the universe, when seen at its deepest level, still inspire the idea of one? Is it because of design? Or because the human mind cannot help but translate infinity into meaning? The cosmic microwave background does not answer this question. It only deepens it. A silent field of ancient light, stretching across everything that exists, reminding us that the beginning is still present, still everywhere, still unfolding in the structure of reality itself.